Electric space heater. The controls. So, about the size. That's about the size of it. What I like about it is it's not just a heater, but it's also a fan. And it's pretty quiet. So that's the fan mode. And if you lift it up, there's a safety mechanism and there's a handle on the back. There's the safety mechanism. Turns it off. And it's coming back on. And if you want to move it into heat, you have two modes. Number 1 and number 2. I'll tell you when it starts to get hot. It's warm. Takes about 4 seconds. And then this is to crank it up even higher. It really gets pretty hot. But super simple, easy to plug in, small, heats up quickly, is quiet. So far, so good.